Hi guys, it's Serena with Bob's Red Mill, and today I am in the kitchen. I want to show you one of my favorite recipes. It is one that came from my mother-in-law. She handed it down years ago. It was one of the first baked goods that she made for me, and it was one of my husband's absolute favorites. So throughout the years it has evolved, and back in those days, we weren't gluten-free, and now we are. So I've had a lot of fun adventuring through different flours and portions of different ingredients. And so today I'm gonna show you how I make it. This is a great recipe for just a Sunday morning. It's also one that I love to give as gifts. It works perfectly during the holidays, but also when we have new neighbors, I always take over a loaf of bread. So I'm gonna show you how I make this, and let's get started.